And the more you
This
can pull
guy,
out, when you finally get
Trigger
to the
Smart,
solution at
has
some
this guy
point.
named Z as a guest host who's done this
Yeah.
analysis with the audio and put together painstakingly over
So someone says
over a
here,
week to
I believe there's a difference, a
trial and
subtle difference
error, different
between
software packages
OpenStreetMap and
to
Google
put
Earth.
this
So just to
together.
be clear, you model this
And he
from
did some
Google Earth,
audio
correct?
analysis that says the bullet traveling 850 meters per second, you would the impact would have happened before,
Let's see.
and
Any
then
other
you would hear
questions
the
here in the
sound
chat?
after from 128 meters
Based
away,
on the Rackle report.
which I guess about 140 yards. But in this case, we hear the sound and then
It
we
sounds
see
like
the impact. So it's coming from much
Hey Pete, it
closer,
sounds like you're
or
echoing
it
pretty
is
bad.
it is
I'll
a
mute you for now.
slower
If you can
velocity
get your earpieces back in, that might be helpful. And we can keep going with some
projectile hitting
questions.
Charlie. So he calibrates
So what he's doing is he's
the
looking at the
time
distance
you hear
between
the
when Charlie actually
sound.
gets hit, or it appears he gets hit, and when you actually hear this.
And now we move forward until we see the first impact.
So you hear the sound, and then 125 milliseconds later, then Charlie moves, which is backwards from what the FAA explanation is.
With what he's saying is he's saying the audio does not match that type of situation, especially from that distance.
Let's have a closer look. First we check video is in sync.
Now, why are we seeing this kind of stuff from the FBI?
Slow motion.
Why does it take private party and third party public people to do this, to analyze this? Because the FBI, it's a massive cover-up.
Now we play it in a normal speed.
So he's right now.
So some of you were asking about like which video he sourced and that kind of stuff. So this is the video where
He's synchronizing it in to when the sound is heard, the first crack is heard, and from Charlie
We can see
impact.
the video is in sync with the sound. And now we are going to load it in the Vegas Pro, which have more precise measurements than my Filmora app.
I don't know what these apps are. I know Audacity and maybe one or two others, but so he's getting it honed
So what he's
in.
doing is he's looking at the distance between when Charlie actually gets.
And now we move forward.
So right at 0 is when the
until we
sound
see the
happens,
first impact.
and 125 milliseconds is when Charlie gets impacted.
After we hear the shot. And that is impossible.